Hola, hola amigos. Hi, how you doing? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo ça va? I hope you are doing good. So today I want to know if you sound American or you sound British. I have about four words that I'm going to spell the word to say if you sound American or British. The first word, the first word is spelled VASE. That's the first word. VASE. Did you say vase, America, or you pronounce the word vase, vase, British? How did you pronounce the word? VASE. Did you say vase, America, or vase, British? Number two is spelled Schedule. Did you say schedule America or you say schedule British? Schedule America or schedule British? Number three is spelled Missile. Again, Missile. Did you say missile America or you go missile British? Missile America, missile British. Okay, the next one is Tomato. Tomato. Did you sound tomato America or tomato British? Tomato America or tomato British? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comment below to know how you sound British or America. Gracias. Thank you. Later.